Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Shah. In today's lecture, we'll be talking about the another question of LU factorization method. So in my previous video, I have explained what is LU factorization method, and we have solved one question that is related to how to find the inverse of a matrix. So let us quickly write the question. You have to use the factorization method to find the solution of the system of equations. So these equations that we have are, so we have three unknowns and we have three equations. So let me quickly write them. So how to start this question and what would be our, okay. Now, here, first of all, I'll just revise what is LU factorization method. So here are, first of all, the coefficient matrix A is, I'll just write it. A is 5, 10, 5, minus 2, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 8. Your x is x1, x2, x3. Your b is 2, 8, 10, right? So we can also write the system of equations in ax is equal to b form. Now we need to find here the value of capital X, that is x1, x2, and x3. Now, in the LU factorization method, or I'll say factorization or decomposition method, what we do, we assume A to be LU, where L is the lower triangular matrix with the diagonal elements as diagonal elements as 1. So this is how we'll be writing our lower triangular matrix. Then we have the upper triangular matrix because U stands for the upper triangular matrix. So U11, U12, U13, U22, U23, and U33. So this is how we'll be starting. I have already explained this. You can refer to my earlier video in the playlist. And now, coming back, how to solve this? Let us just find out this product, and I'll just equating it to the matrix, the coefficient matrix A. So thus this is equivalent to 5, 10, 5, minus 2, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 8. And when you'll multiply this, these two matrices, what we'll be getting, I'm just writing here. I'll get it as U11, L21, U11, L31, U11, U12, L, um, L21, U12 plus U22, L31, U12 plus L32, U22. Then lastly, U13. So this would be L21, U13 plus U23, L31, U13 plus L32, U23 plus L33. So you can multiply it and we'll get this. Now, as these two matrices are comparable, these are equal. So I can, on comparing, I'll get their values. So on comparing, we get the values U11 equal to 5, U12 equal to minus 2, U13 equal to 1. So this is very easy, and we could easily relate to this, what we are getting. Okay, so now I need to find compare this value, this particular value with this. So let me, So I'll just take L21, U11 is equal to 10. So I am getting my L21 as 10 upon 5, that is 2. Similarly, L31, U11 would be equal to 5. So L31 would be 5 upon 5, that is 1. So all these values, this I have solved, compared. Now I am coming to this particular. This is equivalent to -3. So let me just take that. L21, U12 plus U22 is equal to -3. Now, I know what is L21, that is 2. U12, U12 is -2. So this becomes -4. So -4 will go on that side, becomes +4. So U22 is equal to 1. So 4 minus 3, that is 1. Now I'll L21 U13 plus U23 is equivalent to -1. So L21 is 2, U13 is 1, U23 is equal to -1. So I'll get U23 as -1 and -2, -3. Very easy to calculate all the values. So now here I know L31 is 1. U12 I know that is -2. L32 I don't know, need to find out. And U22 is again 1. That is, so L32 would be -2, will go on that side, it becomes 4. Lastly, L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus L33 is equal to -8. L31 is 1, U13 is 1, L32 I have calculated 4, U23 is -3 plus L33 is equal to -8. So I'm getting this as -12 plus 1 is -11. It goes on that side, becomes plus. So 11 minus 8, I'll get it as L33. So is it L33? Oh, sorry, it would be U33. This would be U33. So, so U33, I'm getting 11 minus 8, that is 3. So these are all my values. So you can box them. Now this would help us to find out, write the values of A and, sorry, write the values of L and U. So this is our first step. So I can write here the first step, in which our main aim is to find A. So thus A is L into U. So L is, this is 1, 0, 0. So this is 2, L21, L31 is 1. This is 1, 0. Now L32 is coming out to be 4. Just substitute the values. Sorry. Um, this is 1. So U11, 5, U12 minus 2, 1. This is U22 is 1, U23 is -3, and U33 is 3. So this is our A. So this is the first step to find out the solution using the LU factorization method. Now we move ahead to the second step. In the second step, what we'll be doing, consider the system of equations Ax is equal to B. Just put the value of A as LU in this. Then I can also rewrite this as L times Ux. I'll put this as Y. So L of Y is equal to B. Put Ux is equal to Y. Now, what is L and what would be Y? So here I'll write L would be this, what we have calculated. So 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 4, 0, 0, 1. What is Y? Y would be my Y1, Y2, Y3. B is given to us in the question, that is 2, 8, 10. So I'll be using that. Now, because here you could see this is a lower triangular matrix that we have. So I'll be using the forward substitution. Forward substitution means, I just write down by forward substitution. So what we get, first row multiplied by this column vector. So it would be y1 plus 0 y2 plus 0 y3. Forward substitution means you would be getting the value of y1 first, then y2 and y3. So you are going in this direction, right? So this is known as forward substitution. So y1 is coming out to be 2. Twice of y1 plus y2 plus 0 y3 is equal to 8. So I'm getting my y2 as 8 minus 4, that is 4. Then y1 plus 4y2 plus y3 is equal to 10. So this will give me y3 as, this becomes 2 plus 16, that is 18. So 10 minus 18 is minus 8. So this is my values. So you can also write it in this form, or you could write that thus y is coming out to be 2, 4 and minus 8. Why we are writing it in this form? Because I'll be using it here. Now this is our third step. Step 3, consider ux is equal to y. So what is the value of u that we have calculated earlier? So 500 minus 2 10 1 minus 3 3 x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3 would be 2 4 minus 8 that we have just calculated from the previous step. Now solve this. Now we'll be using the backward substitution. So using the backward substitution, we get, now what is backward substitution? This way. Okay, so this is 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 3 times x3 is equal to minus 8. I'm talking about the last one, right? So this will give me the value of x3, that is minus 8 upon 3. Then 0x1 plus x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 4. So it will give me the value of x2, that is 4 plus 8, that is okay, this is my 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. Then 5x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 2, which will give me the value of x1, that is minus 2 upon 3. So you would notice here that we have got the values of x1, x2, x3, and this is what we need to find out. So thus, the solution of the system of equations is given by x. So x is always x1 first. So just remember minus 2 upon 3. Then you have minus 4. Then minus 8 upon 3. So this is our final answer. So these are a few questions that you could expect from LU decomposition or factorization method, and it's very easy to find out the solution to it. Just need to remember that the L, that is the lower triangular matrix, the diagonal entries are 1 in this particular method. So stay tuned for my other videos, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my new videos. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.